Hi, in this clip I will show you how to use this kind of washing machine that maybe you haven't find since now. You can open by this clip here, open, then rotate all this bolt and open this other door by clicking. Okay, pushing it. Put here inside the clothes and close. Maybe with two hands it's easier. Okay, once it's closed, you can put or the soap inside or here, liquid or solid together. You push, close the door. Here you find the time of the cycle. And also here 20 degrees or 40 to 60 degrees in Celsius. Maybe you can set the temperature or the power of the cycles. Then start and wait for it to stop. That's it.